Hey, I'm Chris,
And I'm Jamie.
and today we're very excited to announce and release Gen 4, our most powerful AI model ever.
So, Runway Gen-4 just dropped, and it might just be the most important AI video model we've seen yet. Not because it makes cool AI clips, because we've had plenty of those, but because this actually solves the biggest problems that have kept AI-generated videos from being truly usable. If you've been paying attention to models like Sora, you know they can make stunning video clips, but there's always been one major issue: consistency. One moment your character is a guy in a hoodie, the next frame he's a completely different person, objects change randomly, environments shift. It all falls apart when you actually try to use it for storytelling. But Gen 4? This one changes everything. Right now, AI video models are stuck in this weird phase where they generate impressive but ultimately useless clips. Because if you can't keep your characters or scenes coherent, what's the point? That's exactly where Gen 4 fixes the problem. It can generate 5 to 10 second clips in 720p resolution, keeping visuals stable and persistent across shots. No more weird morphing faces, no more objects changing shape every second, just clean, professional grade sequences. Bloomberg even highlighted how this update makes AI filmmaking a reality, not just a tech demo. Sora, on the other hand, it can generate up to 1 minute long clips, which sounds great until you realize it still struggles with character consistency. If you try to use it for storytelling, good luck. Your main character might have a different face every other frame. A Reddit thread discussing Sora's limitations even pointed out that creators were prompting the model 20 plus times just to get one usable shot. That's not a workflow, that's a headache. Gen 4 changes that. For filmmakers, advertisers, and creatives, this isn't just a toy. It's a practical tool. You can create a scene with a character, re-prompt that same character, and keep them looking identical across multiple clips. You can also use image anchors to lock in styles, themes, and locations. Want the same coffee shop backdrop across different shots? Done. Need your character to walk through a city and look the same in every frame? Easy. This is where Gen 4 destroys previous models, because world consistency means actual, usable storytelling. And let's talk about performance. There aren't official benchmarks for Gen 4 versus Sora yet, because this thing just dropped, but we can make some solid predictions based on past models. Zataka already suggests that Gen 4 beats Sora in visual coherence, and if we look at previous comparisons like Runway Gen 3 versus Sora, we know Sora had better fidelity and clarity, but suffered from severe consistency issues. Gen 4 builds on Gen 3's foundation, meaning it likely closes that gap, delivering clean, cinematic quality AI videos. Pricing-wise, Runway Gen 4 is available through Runway's paid plans, ranging from $15 to $95 a month, with enterprise options available. Not everyone has access yet since it's rolling out in phases, but that's pretty standard with new AI tools. As for performance benchmarks, it's still early, but based on what we're seeing, Gen 4 significantly outperforms previous AI video models in coherence and scene consistency. If you've used Gen 3, you'll immediately notice the improvements. But here's the real game changer: VFX integration. This isn't just about generating pretty clips. This is about AI-assisted filmmaking. Gen 4 introduces what's being called AI VFX, or GVFX, meaning you can generate consistent objects, insert real-world elements into scenes, and manipulate environments seamlessly. Need to place a car in multiple shots without it looking AI-generated? Done. Want to animate a toy and make it move across different backgrounds? Easy. The ability to lock in objects and keep them stable across frames is what separates actual filmmaking tools from novelty AI generators. And this is where we reach the tipping point for AI creativity. Before, AI video was mostly just for fun, cool clips, flashy effects, but not something you'd use in a serious project. Now, Gen 4 gives AI filmmaking an actual use case: consistency, character control, environment stability. It all adds up to something that professionals can actually work with. And here's the thing, this is just the beginning. If Gen 4 can do this now, imagine what Gen 5, Gen 6, or whatever comes next will be capable of. So yeah, Runway just made AI video generation a serious contender for real-world creative work. Sora had its moment, but Gen 4 takes the lead where it really matters. And if this is where we are in early 2025, the next wave of AI video is about to get insane. And honestly, with Gen 4, that moment might already be here. And this was all about Runway Gen 4. I hope you liked the video and got the information you need. So hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay around for more about AI.